Have you ever reached the end of the day feeling hungry, tired, and tempted to order takeout? You're not alone. For many people trying to lose weight, dinner is where healthy habits fall apart. After a long day, cooking can feel like a chore, and it's easy to reach for meals packed with calories that leave you feeling sluggish instead of satisfied. But what if you could enjoy delicious, filling dinners that are all under 400 calories, without feeling like you're on a diet? Today's video features 4 incredibly easy low-calorie dinners that are packed with protein, loaded with flavor, and simple enough for busy weeknights. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last recipe is one of the most satisfying meals on this list. It tastes indulgent but fits perfectly into a healthy weight loss plan. Let's get started. Let's begin with a classic that's light, colorful, and incredibly satisfying. Season the chicken with garlic, lemon juice, herbs, salt, and pepper. Spread the vegetables on a baking tray, drizzle with olive oil, and season lightly. Bake everything at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are beautifully roasted. This entire meal comes in at around 360 calories. Let's begin with a classic that's light, colorful, and incredibly satisfying. Season the chicken with garlic, lemon juice, herbs, salt, and pepper. Spread the vegetables on a baking tray, drizzle with olive oil, and season lightly. Bake everything at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are beautifully roasted. This entire meal comes in at around 360 calories. The best part? It's packed with lean protein to help keep you full, while the vegetables add fiber and volume without adding many calories. If you're trying to lose weight, meals like this make it much easier to stay satisfied without overeating. And we're just getting started. The next dinner is perfect for anyone who loves comfort food. Yes, you can absolutely enjoy pasta while losing weight. The secret is choosing the right ingredients. Here's what you'll need: whole wheat pasta, non-fat Greek yogurt, garlic mushrooms, fresh spinach, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, Italian seasoning. Cook the pasta according to the package directions. Meanwhile, sauté the mushrooms with garlic until tender. Add spinach and cook until wilted. Turn the heat down before stirring in the Greek yogurt, Parmesan, and seasonings to create a creamy sauce without heavy cream. Finally, mix everything together with the pasta. One generous serving contains approximately 390 calories. It tastes rich and creamy, yet delivers protein and fiber that help keep cravings under control. If you've ever believed healthy food has to be boring, recipes like this prove otherwise. And if you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Healthy Shape Kitchen for more simple recipes that make healthy eating easier every day. Now let's move on to one of my personal favorites. Sometimes the best dinners don't require plates full of carbs to feel satisfying. These lettuce wraps are fresh, crunchy, and incredibly flavorful. You'll need lean ground turkey romaine or butter lettuce leaves, garlic ginger, low sodium soy sauce, sesame oil, green onions, carrots, water chestnuts. Optional. Cook the turkey with garlic and ginger until browned. Add the carrots, water chestnuts, soy sauce, and just a tiny splash of sesame oil. Spoon the mixture into crisp lettuce leaves and top with sliced green onions. The result? A fresh dinner with amazing texture for roughly 330 calories. This recipe is especially great if you're looking for a lighter evening meal that still feels filling. By replacing tortillas or buns with lettuce, you're cutting calories while adding freshness and crunch. Before we reveal today's final recipe, I want to mention something very important that will help a lot of people. If you'd like even more healthy meal ideas, my ebook, featuring a 30-day meal plan and plenty of recipes, is available via the link in the description and the pinned comment. You'll also find my blog there, where I regularly share healthy recipes, meal prep tips, weight loss strategies, and nutrition articles to help you stay on track. Now, let's wrap things up with one of the easiest dinners you'll ever make. This meal looks restaurant quality, but is extremely simple to prepare. You will need salmon fillet, fresh asparagus, lemon slices, garlic, a teaspoon of olive oil, salt, black pepper. Place the salmon and asparagus on a baking sheet. Season with garlic, salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Top with fresh lemon slices. Bake at 200 degrees, 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. That's it. One serving contains about 380 calories. Salmon provides healthy fats, omega-3s, and high-quality protein, which help keep you feeling full for hours. It's one of those meals that feels like a cheat meal, even though it fits perfectly into a healthy lifestyle. So there you have it. 4 delicious dinners, all under 400 calories, simple ingredients, easy preparation, and lots of flavor. 762. Remember, successful weight loss doesn't depend on starving yourself or following impossible diets. It's about creating meals you genuinely enjoy and can keep eating for months, not just a few weeks. Which dinner do you plan to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the Healthy Shape Kitchen channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the new healthy recipes I post every week. And don't forget to check the links in the description to access my ebook, featuring a 30-day meal plan and plenty of recipes, as well as my blog, which is packed with even more healthy meal inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.